Hi, weather update tayo dito sa Ximending area. It's April 4, 9, what's the time?
9:33.
9:33 p.m. and the weather is cool. It feels like
21 degrees.
it's 21 degrees Celsius right now, but it feels like 18, 19. Malamig. Good evening. It's, what's the time, Joaquin?
It's 9:27.
It's 9:27 in the evening and nandito pa rin tayo sa Ximen pedestrian area. Maghahanap tayo ng makakainan. Bibili lang tayo ng 2 pirasong sausage for dinner and then we're going back to the hotel. Pero so far, nakapunta na tayo ng Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall, Taipei 101.
Yeah, Taipei 101.
Okay. And we saw the earthquake damper and we saw the whole of Taipei from above.
Shopping street. Yes.
Grabe haba ng pila sa Shimfu Tang. So, andito pa rin tayo sa Ximending and bumibili tayo ng scallion pancake. And bumili rin tayo ng sausages. So, these are two of the most famous food here in street food scene in Ximending and Taipei. Uwi natin sa hotel. Doon natin kakainin. So if you're looking for this street, dito sa maraming food stall, hanapin nyo lang yung ABC Mart na signage. Makikita ninyo yung alley na madaming food stall. Yung mga masasarap dito, yung scallion pancake, and then yung sausage, sikat na sikat. Maraming bumibili. Marami ako. Meron din ditong flame grilled beef there, and then meron din sila nung 10 yen cheesecake, cheese bread, parang sa Japan. There you go.